Okay, so I got the first set of framing done, whatever you want to call it. Now I've got to figure out what windows I want left open. I'm gonna leave that one open, so I'll probably close this one and this one, so these two will be covered up. This one I'm going to leave open for the shower. That one will be closed. The next one will be open, and then open, 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 and then closed. And then as far as this side, I have not decided yet. I'm going to leave one I know for the kitchen table. Probably that one and that one maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and close the windows I don't want open. I am going to put a beam of caulk on there just to help seal them. So bear with me. And the ones I do want open, I am going to open now so I can I know where to cut. And I'm probably gonna, because I got a bunch of this, probably way more than I need, so I think I'm going to use that to kind of make like a little window frame. Put caulk right there. I'm going to attempt to get it to shut all the way. This one doesn't seem to want to shut all the way for some reason. I don't know what it's catching on. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I do need to trim some of the bottoms of these boards off. So I'm going to grab my grinder with the saw attachment. I'm going to trim about 1 inch off the bottom, and then that way I can run my water line. So I'm going to finish doing that. I do have to cut that angle out too, and then once I get that done, alright, I'm gonna get cracking on the water line and get all that figured out, and hopefully I'll get insulated. So bear with me. Right here, I'm gonna run the water lines up and slice them together. Another T, and then to the valves, to the valves and then to a T, so I'll need a couple more elbows and stuff, and then run my main line up. Alright, so this is going to be the start of my mixing valve. So I just have 2 handles here. Like that. Hold like that. There we go. so I can fasten these to it. And then, so now I gotta go. Gotta come. Let's see, and we'll need I can go up, over, into a T, and then from that T it will go to the shower head. So bear with me. More water line. Fasten that real quick. There we go. Almost forgot to put the clamp on. Clamp on, clamp off. So far, and a couple of crimps. Make it work. There we go. That's the shower and the mixing done. So I'll once I get everything insulated and what have you, I'll take and get these mounted better. I've got little clamps to hold everything, so I'll probably put a board across or something to be able to mount these two, and then once I get the shower and everything figured out, we'll go from there. Go. There, starting to look like home. Yeah, it's a big sink. Maybe a little bit bigger than I was thinking it was going to be. So I think we'll do the sink there, and I should be able to get the drawer in next to it. If not, then I'll put the drawer down here and I'll put the stove top there. I think that'd probably be better anyways, but we'll figure it out.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Awesome. So I just temporarily hooked up the sink, just to test it out, make sure the pump's working properly, which it is. I mean, you can, there you go. I gotta get a new one of these, which these are a dime a dozen at anywhere, to be honest with you. Excuse me. I don't want to get a new drinking one with the water filter. In case I go to a county park or something like that and the water's really nasty tasting, I'll at least be able to have filtered water to drink. Tomorrow the wood stove show, or the wood stove, tomorrow the water heater shows up. So I'll have that, I'll get that mounted and mocked up for plumbing. And hooked up also. I got the cold on the left, hot's going to be on the right. I don't know if this works. Yep. That's cool. Anyways, sorry, playing around. So I have the water heater mocked up, and then from there I should be able to frame the shower and basically get the shower done, other than doing the I'm not gonna sit there. Other than the cement board and the tiles and all that, but I should be able to get it framed out, get the shower head hooked up, get that hose mounted or the line mounted a little bit better. Get the everything mocked up here. I got to get more crimps and. I think I got enough fittings. I don't think I need any more of those. But I do got to get more crimps or whatever they're called for the PEX tube. So, yeah, I got just a little bit left to do, and then do all the electrical. Then I'm going to do the insulation. I was going to do the insulation today, but I got thinking, I still got to do all the electrical and finish the plumbing and everything else. The toilet also comes tomorrow too, so I might start building the frame for that and figure out what fittings I need to plumb that in. I gotta put the wastewater tanks together. Quite a bit of work left, and I only got the one wall framed. I gotta do the other wall, and I gotta install the table and everything. So lots of work. I should actually probably bring one of those bus seats in here just to see how well they're gonna fit. And I got to build the bunk beds. I got to build the frame for the bed, master bedroom, if you want to call it that. Yeah, there's a lot of work left to do. But I'm gonna call it a wraps for now. Throughout the week, I'll probably come out here for a little bit and do things here and there and just make one big video. So, but I'm gonna get some dinner and I got a shower bad. So, catch you guys next time.